Hi guys, welcome back to my channel darkskinbeauty_fe. I hope all of you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a video on coffee scrub. So for this scrub you're gonna need three ingredients. First of all, you need coffee, any sugar and honey. So coffee will act as an exfoliator and it improves the blood circulation. Secondly, sugar. You can use either white or brown sugar. So sugar has lots of benefits. So it has an acid called glycolic. This helps with moisturizing the skin, and most importantly it protects the skin from harsh toxins. And finally, I'm going to use honey. So honey is a natural antibacterial. It contains antioxidants. This slows down the aging process. It also helps with skin complexion. It helps with hydrating the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It also leaves your skin glowing. Now I'm adding all three ingredients together and I'm stirring it really well. And I also added a drop of water so that it sort of comes in this consistency. So now I'm ready to apply, but before applying, make sure that you feel your skin so that you can see the difference after. I'm going to go ahead and start applying the scrub. So when you wear this scrub, just make sure you're wearing like an old top because it does tend to stain your clothes. So wear something that you don't use anymore. Also make sure that it doesn't drop on your carpets if you have carpet flooring, because it will be hard to get rid of. Another thing to consider is the size of the sugar granules. Just make sure that it's not too big that it would hurt your skin. Just make sure they're like a medium decent size one. Don't forget to apply some scrub on the neck area as well. So after application you have to leave it on for up to say 20 to 30 minutes and you will see the color of the coffee change. I think because I added a little bit too much water, the color doesn't change that quickly. So just make sure when you're adding the water that you don't add it too much. Okay guys, it's been up to like 20-25 minutes now. It does feel a bit stiff on my skin, so I'm gonna go wash it, come back and show it to you guys. I have washed my face now, and in order to dry the face I'm going to use some tissue. So when you're washing the face, make sure you don't rub it too hard because the sugar should already do the job. It will exfoliate it for you. So as I dry my face, I can already see the difference in my skin. It's already looking so much more glowier. It's looking so much more moisturized. So I would highly recommend that you give it a try at home. So you can try and use this once a month or every fortnight and see how it helps you. So make sure that you feel your skin after you washed it, because honestly it will feel like baby's bottoms, guys. You have to try it and let me know how it has helped you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And thank you guys. I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.